Welcome to WebStyle Plus. In this video, we will enable smooth scroll for a page. Before you use complex JavaScript to enable smooth scrolling on a page, I want you to try built-in pure CSS smooth scroll. To demonstrate that, I have this HTML and CSS file. Let's create our main section. So div with class container, and it has got two links. I will assign ID S to this section. Let's link these two buttons to two different sections at the same page. To do that, we will link these buttons by using IDs S1, S2. So consider that we have got two other areas with ID S1 and S2 at the same page. Now we need these two sections at this page. Section 1, Section 2. Let's assign IDs. So this is ID S1 and this is ID S2. And then these two buttons at the bottom will link to this first section at top of page. So its ID is S, so we will use S here. Pretty straightforward at this point, right? We are internally linking page sections by using section IDs. Now let's use a little bit of CSS. We have added margins and paddings to sections so that there may be enough space to test out page scroll. Let's test it. We have got two buttons. Go to section 1, go to section 2. Let's click this. Okay, there was a jump when I clicked that button. This is section 1. Go to top. There was again a page jump. Go to section 2. There was jump. This is section 2. Go to top. Basically, this is a long page with the two extra sections, section 1 and section 2. And we are navigating to these two sections on click of these two buttons. And then button at the bottom of these sections will bring us back to the top of page. So we can make this jump go away. We can make this scroll smoother. We can do that by using only CSS. Here is this property called scroll behavior. Its default value is auto. I will use smooth. And now if I click at this button, the page will scroll to that section. Go to top, go to section 2, go to top, go to section 1. So as you can see, by using only CSS, we can make a page scroll in a smooth way. No JavaScript needed. Here are different values for this CSS property. And if we explore its browser support, it is not supported by Safari and Internet Explorer. For Edge, Firefox and Chrome, it's got good support. So I recommend this CSS property to include in your CSS boilerplate. Whenever you can avoid JavaScript for small things, avoid. Use this CSS property to make page scroll smooth. Use this CSS property to make page scroll smooth. Okay, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.